कोई दूसरा एग्जांपल
करता है टाइम मैंने
somebody else.
So talk somebody please.
Okay,
Somebody else around him is affected.
This is a bad example.
जान लगी होगी बाकी
नहीं, so you're saying with practice your consciousness goes down. Is what?
No,
is that what-
in by so practice is the layman's term of imprinting or converting that that consciousness to subconsciousness. The more you practice,
So-
it become imprinted at that. It's a loop back thing,
Okay.
and basically you can get a feel of it.
तो ये कार जब आप चला रहे हो तो आपको लेफ्ट मुड़ना है, ये आप मोड़ लेते हो अपने आप, रोज उसी रास्ते से आ रहे हो, आपको पता है यहाँ पे लेफ्ट मुड़ना है,
So half the time you don't even realize कि क्लच दबा के गियर चेंज हो गया.
Class और gear
ये
change
भी नहीं पता था।
exactly.
आप कौन से गेट पे जाए नहीं पता था आपको,
नहीं पता था।
कार
बस पता है कि ठीक चल रहा है।
कार स्मूथ चल रही
Exactly.
है।
That is for the happen to the experienced driver. But अगर आपके बेबी मतलब जो भी जाए अच्छा ये क्लच है ना, ये ठीक है, मतलब वो एक अवेयरनेस होते हैं कि ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती है. कोई fuzziness we call it practice जो भी है, it happens to any stream actually. This is very common. We just don't realize it.
So
जैसे चलते वक्त
Once you
तुम्हें
realize
कि
you
पैर
got
में यहाँ
one shot.
रखने के बाद
So
ये सीढ़ी चढ़ते हो,
so if you keep coding for 50 years, you'll be like subconsciously coding.
More importantly, you should
No,
enjoy.
not exactly, but not literally, but
Not
you know,
literally.
you probably won't think, अच्छा, ये
Exactly.
you probably just keep typing. You think less and type
Just
more.
to augment what Pankaj is saying, if you ask a very guru kind of guy with a silky band, right, and Fu guy, Intel, see you have 20,000 line page of code, I can fill the code. He will say, अच्छा इसमें ये bug है. He can feel that this function is wrong. So ये जो filling वाली बातें हैं ना, fill. This is a right.
Feel or feel?
Normally your brain.
Or like he can feel the code.
There are two parts. Sirish ने एक mail भेजा था बहुत दिन पहले कि एक girl wrote it right. A girl wrote it right. Somebody says right and somebody says left. तो वहाँ पे होता है कि our left brain is much more logical. भैया equation देखो, मेरे को ये share बेचना है, very analytical. Right brain is a little bit crazy. वो ना बोलते हैं कि I feel it good. मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. वो थोड़ा fuzziness में खेलता है. And this right brain is a creative area. Designer, any kind of creativity, software creativity, any creativity is the right brain is dominant. Analytical state एक step तक चलेगा. But once you this experience what says I feel the code, this code smells like wrong. He actually using his right brain, which has got all this subconscious coming from this 20 years experience. Which
Can you consciously do it? Can I consciously?
he doesn't consciously do it. He got a subconscious in his arsenal. He's also imprinted, and that is becoming his consciousness now. कि भाई I can smell this code is going to be the wrong one.
फिक्स करो फिर वो कॉन्शियस
देवशीष any better me.
Hey, so
नहीं तो
So
sword
that
लगे
means
right
I
part से
can-
fix
I can-
the left part से.
I can crack a CAT exam on one day, probably not on the other day.
Yes.
Because I might be
Very-
creative thinking one
Yes,
day.
and if you see our education system, it doesn't measure you consistently wise. Your doesn't take a modal average of your weekly. It's a one shot, and that's very bad actually. In one window, your brain can function very differently. So it has to be a consistent function of your thing. मतलब
मुझे तो पता चला है तुम्हें क्या आता था, जो एग्जाम में आया वो आता था, तो
Everybody can have a bad day.
कर दोगे।
हाँ, मतलब
Everybody की बात नहीं है,
It's about bad days.
it's just about कि तुमने क्या पढ़ा था, क्या आया।
नहीं,
नहीं,
it's about
ऐसा
bad
नहीं,
days. So
just
if you
bad
take it
days.
over the year, right?
मैं कह रहा
you are
हूँ मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आईएएस के क्वेश्चन में क्या आने वाला है मुझे बता दो, ठीक है, 1 महीने पहले प्रॉब्लम मैं निकाल लूंगा,
See, but
ठीक है।
that's not
मैं
the
कह रहा हूँ
case,
कि
right?
10 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँ, यही तो है एग्जामिनेशन,
नहीं,
ये
नहीं,
ना
नहीं।
बिल्कुल डिफरेंट वो है।
नहीं, what he is saying is
नहीं,
तुम grading system लगाओ, पूरे semester में उसको grade मारो, right? Instead of
नहीं,
taking one
फर्स्ट
day.
आता है वो हमेशा फर्स्ट क्यों आता है?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं
ऐसा
है.
नहीं आता है.
क्या
मैंने
नहीं,
बिजनेस
your
स्टडीज
point
में
is valid. See,
8 एग्जाम में
I-
80 लाया, एंड में 51 आया. मतलब क्यों?
नहीं पढ़ा होगा और
नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि नहीं पढ़ा होगा. मतलब 8 एग्जाम में मतलब हर एग्जाम में 80 प्लस आए थे मेरे.
नहीं, मतलब there are two things. ना, there's the analytical one, there's the creative one.
यार एग्जाम देते वक्त ना
तो कोई
तुम्हें पता है
creative
कि-
हो जाए एग्जाम में तो
प्रदीप, आपने कितने क्रिएटिव और एनालिटिकल एग्जाम दिए?
Let's take a simple example of
नहीं,
Warren Buffett. Warren
कितने
Buffett.
कितने क्रिएटिव और एनालिटिकल एग्जाम दिए?
क्रिएटिव
हमने सारे crammed up एग्जाम दिए, ठीक है?
यार मैं
That is about memory.
That
If you're
is-
judging till 12th, that was about memory. It was not about analytics.
Just take about example of Warren Buffett. Everybody
Yeah.
knows.
Even an IAS exam होता होगा उसमें analytical, but
It's
there's a lot of
basically
study.
memory है।
हाँ, ठीक है.
Memory है? हाँ,
So
memory
I'm
है.
saying if you have to crack something like probably a more analytical exam,
नहीं, पता है,
मतलब
that's
probably I
what-
can do it one day and not do it the other day.
augmenting our way That's why not everybody is actually mounting the success.
और आपने खुद कहा था जो बच्चे स्कूल में तोप थे वो आज कहीं नहीं
हाँ exactly हाँ that's true very much true
I mean,
तो बोले इतना धुरंधर था
मतलब
वो
ये बोला कि वो लड़के जो स्कूल में
स्किल
तोप
मिसमैच
थे
भी हो सकता है उनके स्किल्स का मार्केट में
जो भी
नहीं,
था
मेरा-
हाँ, मतलब
maybe they were
they are still masters of their skill but their skill don't sell anymore
नहीं सिर्फ
नहीं, मतलब
जनरली ये भी होता है
मतलब
कि
maybe they were
first आ गया।
laborious maybe they were more there sitting
जनरली
there
होता है 12th में ना फर्स्ट आने के बाद कि यार 96% आ गए उसके बाद इतना अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है कि वो केयरलेस हो जाता है ही डजंट बॉदर टू
प्रदीप
पढ़ना नहीं चाहता
प्रदीप,
मतलब मुझे
प्रदीप, आप जो लेवल एजुकेशन बात कर रहे हो,
जिस चीज का उसने गोटा लगाया उसका कोई एप्लीकेशन ना हो।
प्रदीप आप एजुकेशन का देखोगे ना, फॉर एग्जांपल द गाय इज रिसर्चिंग इन MIT और स्टफ लाइक दैट, स्टैनफोर्ड, वो क्रैम नहीं करेगा, मतलब उसको अगर IIT पेपर दे दो ना, IIT इज वेरी grueling सेशन, वो नहीं पाएगा. I myself know a guy which is who is a mathematics research in ISI, Indian Studies Institute. उसको मैंने दिया था IIT का पेपर, कुछ मतलब IIT का मैथ्स पेपर नहीं कर पाया, 40 से ज्यादा नीचे स्कोर
भूल
किया.
गया क्योंकि
भूल नहीं किया, अरे
ये भूल गया
अरे
तो
नहीं भाई,
ये कैसे भूल गए
फॉर्मूले अप्लाई होने
नहीं
के
भाई।
जो कुछ भी थर्मोडायनामिक्स हो गया कुछ हो गया
Education
apply
is
होगा,
not
generalize
भूल गया
करते हैं, ये बड़ा केस टू केस चीज
वही
है
case
यार।
to case
नहीं
नहीं
कर
कर
सकते
नहीं,
नहीं
मेरा
टॉपिक
एक-
नहीं निकाल पाओगे
अरे मैं
नहीं निकाल पाओगे
देवाशीष,
नहीं,
शिरीष ने
मेरा
निकाल
एक
पाएंगे
था,
आपको दे दो IIT का
मतलब आईटी में ना सिविल इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा था उसका मतलब बहुत ही इनिशियल नीचे रहता
लेकिन एक जमाने में तो निकाला था
Last,
जस्ट इट वाज जस्ट हार्ड वर्क
नहीं,
लेकिन
I
उसको जब भी
I want to
हमने
start a
practice
discussion
में
from it. थोड़ा सा off topic, but this is
Please.
what I was asking before also.
What?
And it might be a different topic altogether, which is what
हाँ, बताओ.
we are trying to explain all our interactions and everything else physically. My sort of overall question is that all? I guess if I want to put a simple question is do you believe there's a soul which is outside of everything physical?
In quantum physics, they call it quantum entanglement. It basically means, and if I put a leaf out here, there is something will change out there. Everything is, they call it butterfly effect,
Butterfly.
known as
Yeah,
butterfly
yeah,
effect, chaos theory, quantum entanglement,
Even-
related.
No, even butterfly effect is explainable logically through interactions. Saying you change a certain degree of pressure.
What I
and
believe
it's
from the
amplified.
what I believe from the papers that I studied and my जितना भी inclination है,
तूफान आते हैं
why I found this consciousness thing has to something to do with our linkage to the universe, that you call it soul. That's something to the consciousness. It has to be, and it basically radiates outside your existence, your physical existence. For example, that there's a lot of exercise like what happened that observer has been asked to read a number in an isolated chamber,
But then here,
and he can read that.
Soul is also a function of-
Remote sensing.
Let's say the human race is wiped out. Are all souls gone?
No, so it depends on what you define by the existence and the consciousness.
Oh, consciousness.
So consciousness is basically,
clearly has a seat in your brain. I mean, I don't know whether anybody disagrees or not.
for example, if you see the Matrix,
Consciousness
if you
is
see the
function of
Matrix
reality, right?
movie called recent flick called Matrix,
Mhm.
what this shows it.
Okay, then let me put the question this way. Let's say the whole entire human race is wiped out. In 2012, they are going to, right?
They're going to, right.
Will consciousness get wiped out?
Consciousness is irrespective. Consciousness is basically your gathering of this social evolution and plus your scientific discovery, your cultural high, everything.
So
That's a combined.
That will be wiped out. With race, that will get wiped out.
But the point is somebody has to be there to interpret it. For example, sound, music is there even before man existed. But how to define music as an intelligent conglomeration of some acoustic sound?
Oh, that's a very deeper.
I mean,
Did music exist without
I mean,
somebody listening to it?
exactly, because music was there. I don't think music was just, it's all
They didn't
basically,
create it, right? I think
No, it did not. From my definition, it did not exist because
why?